everyone. My guest today is Naveen Anand, Senior Director Marketing for Oriflame South Asia. Naveen spearheads marketing operations and strategy for South Asia and is responsible for accelerating growth and enhancing the brand equity for Oriflame. He has over 2 decades of experience in the direct selling market, and he is also a marketing and brand management expert and partners with sales and cross-functional leaders to build strong businesses. He has expertise across domains like nutrition and beauty and has worked closely with marketing teams in China, Korea, Japan, Europe, Latin America, and of course, India. Welcome, Naveen, and thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. We appreciate the opportunity to be there, both me and Oriflame.
Congratulations as Oriflame completes 25 years in India. Let's jump straight in and speak of wellness. What does wellness mean to you, Naveen, and what does it mean for Oriflame?
25 years in India, we are extremely happy, very proud. It's a great joy to see our business become stronger here. As much as we are proud about these 25 years, I must say I'm very excited about the next 25 years and the next 50 and the century up here in India. We've got some strong foundations. And as regard wellness, I think you have two parts to the question. What does it mean to me? What does it mean to Oriflame? And to me, it is about, I would say, making choices, making some choices which I know are good for me, making some choices which I know are good for my health. For instance, making a choice to eat the right kind of food, making a choice to move my body,
Yeah.
do some exercise of some kind every day, and I'm quite committed to it. And the third element, which I believe has a huge impact on our health and usually is not paid as much attention, and I try and do my best around it, is to keep a very positive attitude.
Yeah.
We all have stress in our life, but we need to find a way to be positive. So those are the things which I keep at the top of my agenda, and I am a believer in supplements. So I do take supplement pretty much every day for years together.
Yeah.
And
And
when
for
it comes to
Oriflame.
Oriflame, yeah, I think the reason Oriflame is in this category is that it's a very large and a growing category, not only in India, but across the globe. And when we evaluated, do we get into this category? It just looked like the right category, the right business for the company. And we started as a company only with beauty products, skincare and makeup. But as years passed by, we added fragrances, hair care, personal care, and of course, wellness. So there is a big, strong business opportunity for us to build the business.
There is currently a 14,000 crore market in wellness and it is growing. Wellness has become a great preoccupation over the last few years and especially during the last year. What do you believe, Naveen, are the reasons for this?
It is a growing market. It's not only the size, but also the growth around the market. And what makes it what it is today, I would say there are few elements. And one very important element among this is what the press has played. If you go back 10 years, no one used to write about good food, exercise, lifestyle. But the press, I must say, complete credit. The kind of articles you read today, the kind of programs you see on television, even on radio, the kind of programs which come. I think there has been a very positive education which has
Yeah.
been done by the press. So I do give a huge credit to that. Two is changing lifestyles.
Yeah.
People have got into this mindset that if I need to take care of my body, I need to take care of my body by doing something. It is not only about saying. So if you look at the number of gyms which have come around, it's all a sign of how people pay attention to that. Or look at the choices in food we make. There are specialized food stores today. People are now preferring to have organic food. The
Yeah.
same thing goes in so many other walks of life. So that changing lifestyle has also absolutely helped the wellness category grow. And the third element, which to an extent has really, really helped, is the pandemic. And I don't think that's really a bright side, so as to say, but I think the pandemic did lead to people who were on the fence, like
Yeah.
maybe, maybe not. Do I take supplement? Do I not take supplement? Many of them started to take supplement because they did want to build immunity,
Hmm.
and they really wanted to try everything around that, but it did help the category. So I think those are some of the reasons where the category has been really strong for us and for the whole industry.
Yeah, yeah. So from Sweden and backed by science, Indians know Oriflame really for beauty very well. How has the company sort of leveraged this trust that Indians have to extend to wellness and good health?
Yeah, two element there. I think we also learn, like as individual and as companies, we also learn, and all that we have been learning in last few years is that the beauty as such, when we talk of the skin health or you talk of overall beauty, there is a very strong and deep connection with your inner health.
Yes.
So it's not only what you apply on your face. Okay, and there was a time, if you go 20 years back, that was all about it.
Hmm.
But then over a period of time, we have surely and definitely learned so many good things that as and when your body is nourished better, it has good nutrient, it start to show on your glowing skin.
Yeah.
So those are the things which are very critical and important, and absolutely have helped us also get into this category. So we have been masters in skincare and colors, and now over and above that, it's not only outer beauty, it is also inner beauty. So that's been a big part of why we are in this business.
You've always been very clear that Oriflame must be part of a larger plan for wellness. That, you speak of the importance of good diet, exercise, community. The first two you already spoke of for yourself as necessary pillars before you can add the Oriflame advantage. So how does Oriflame Wellness fit into a holistic plan for good health? And what is it that sets Oriflame apart in a market? Because now there are a lot of supplements out there. So there is something that distinguishes you. What is that?
So one is, just as I said, the inner beauty and the outer beauty, that thing is out there. It's not only with the companies at this stage. It is already made inroad with the consumers. Consumers understand that, and that is very positive. And then, of course, like any company, you offer your products, but the consumer wants to know, meaning why buy from this particular company, and in this case, why buy from Oriflame. And there are few things which I say I am extremely proud about. And one among those is that we as a company have very, very high quality standards. And probably every company can claim that or say that. But I'll back it up with some data here. We as a company follow strict European standards everywhere in the world. So whatever we sell anywhere in the world has to go through the European standards. Now, we are not mandated to do that in India. Actually, we are not mandated to do that either in Sri Lanka or in Russia or in Mexico, anywhere in the world. But we as a company believe consumers deserve the best of quality, so we never compromise on it. So whatever you get, whether it is our color products or our skincare products, for that matter, wellness, they do follow strictest quality standards. The other thing which we do is we are extremely conscious about giving back to the nature. We are very respectful to the nature. So anything which we do, we have a huge emphasis on sustainability. So for instance, in our product range, we have Omega, and we are part of a program, and we have been certified by that program as Friends of the Sea, because we support fishery in the right way. It is not like you go there and abuse that. So things like this are very unique to us, where we feel proud that we are giving you high quality products, but at the same time, we are extremely respectful of what we are doing around the nature. And of course, our brands and products have been very well researched. So what you get is extremely efficacious and also safe.
Yeah.
And safety is a concern in wellness category. Because when you ingest something, you want to be sure that it does not do any harm. There are two questions the consumer has. Will it do good? I hope it doesn't do any harm.
Yeah.
And it does all the good, I can promise you. And it does no harm because it's been very, very well tested.
You speak a lot about the Indian diet being deficient in protein. Could you explain a little about that and why we need to address this gap? Also, supplements from Oriflame can be had by anybody from 12 years of age, which is very different from what we generally tend to think of supplements as something for older people or people with special needs. So could you touch upon that as well?
Yeah, protein deficiency is an very big issue in India. Actually, it is a big issue in the Asian markets. And many a time people ask me the question, like you asked now, why? And I'll try and give a very simple example here. If you see the American or European diet,
Yeah.
what is it typically? It's a large piece of meat. They would have a steak and there will be some sides, typically small quantity of rice or some veggies, more often than not. So now switch to the Asian diet. What happens in the Asian diet? You have a large portion of rice which has some additives of meat.
Hmm.
I need veg fried rice, chicken fried rice, and rice is very big in Asia. Okay, even in India, people who are vegetarians, their consumption of paneer or tofu is very very low. It's dismal.
Yeah.
And those who are even consuming meat, they are not big meat eaters. So protein, the sources are only these. You know, you need to get protein from soy, or you need to get protein from, you know, meat, or you need to get protein from tofu, paneer. But the consumption is very, very poor. And therefore, 8 out of 10 of us in India are protein deficient.
Wow. That's
And
big.
this is the data which not like Oriflame. This is published data by the Indian Council for Medical Research. So we are a protein deficient country,
Yeah.
and there are two levels. Many times people are not even aware. Okay, but when they are aware, we need to take action how to correct that. And if you have deficiency of protein, you need to consume supplement so that you have enough protein. And as a thumb rule, it's a really good thumb rule. You need 1 gram of protein for 1 kg of your weight. So if you are 60 kgs, you need 60 grams a day. Okay, as simple as that. And it's not difficult to calculate. So people need to get to protein, and I'm proud and glad that we have a very nice protein supplement. It comes in different flavors, so you get good taste of the shakes and also the nutrition of protein and fiber in it.
Okay. I've heard your explanation of how omega-3 and the Swedish beauty complex with astaxanthin and algae that is found in Sweden are different. It's a very interesting explanation. So could I ask you to share that with us here?
Sure. So, you know, both of them, the only time where the similarities end is that they are gelatin. Okay. And then they're different things altogether.
Hmm.
So omega is good oil. Omega 3s are good oil. We in our diet are rich in omega 6, but not in omega 3s. And therefore, when you take omega 3, you are supplementing your body with a good oil. Astaxanthin, on the other end, is an antioxidant. And in the world where we live today, there is enough free radical which our body gets. And most of them actually are external factors. It is the pollution out there, you know, the air we breathe, that brings a lot of it. Then there are a lot of lifestyle things. So for instance, if you are a smoker or you drink,
Yeah.
you know, that brings free radicals. Stress is a big part of free radical. So when you take an antioxidant, it fights free radical. But astaxanthin is the king of antioxidants. So vitamin C is also an antioxidant, but astaxanthin is 600 times, I repeat, 600 times more powerful than vitamin C. And we have gone to the extreme of researching on it. In the Nordic Oceans, we went to the right kind of algae, and from there is where astaxanthin is derived, and then it comes with goodness of Oriflame quality to you. So both of them do different job, and both of them are pretty essential in our lifestyle today.
The way you explain it makes so much sense. So I'm sure a lot of people listening to this will, realize how much they need this sort of supplementation in their diets. What can we look forward to in the future from Oriflame Wellness?
Two things. One, I'm an extremely big believer in education on dietary supplements. It is not about how many products are out there. It is about what do they do.
Yeah.
So we as a company have had huge focus in education, and we will continue to have very large focus in education. We want to get the right message out there. So we are never hesitant to do that, and we'll continue to do that. And then, of course, expanding our portfolio. So we are looking at launching new products in near future, and you will see our product range also increase.
So you had said when we started that you take supplements also. So I'm sure we would like to know which ones do you personally sort of swear by?
Yeah, and I've been on supplement for a year together. I have a belief, and I must say that many people, this is a very good and relevant thing. I've taken supplements. How do I know I feel healthy? You know, and the acid test, which I believe one can take, is how many sick leaves did you take during the year? Okay. And I may say, or I must say that touch wood, I just feel good about that. You know, I just feel that I'm healthy. I can do things I want to do. I feel good about the day. And what makes me do that is not only supplements. I have good choices of food, as I said. I do exercise a little bit. And then when it comes to supplement, NutriShake is one of my favorites, and we actually have a machine in office where any employee can go to the machine and take a glass and have NutriShake. And pretty much when I return back to home from office, and these days if we are working from home, my evening tea that has been replaced. So no more tea. I take NutriShake. So that's a very, very good supplement, protein supplement. I take Omega every day. I take Astra every day, and over and above that, I take a multivitamin every day. So these are some of my regimen, and it's pretty much a habit now. It just comes to me naturally.
Yeah, I think we need to go more into that habit with you. Naveen, thank you so much for the very interesting insights you've shared with us. I'm sure we've learned a lot. I know I've learned a lot from this discussion. Congratulations again on Oriflame's 25 years in India, and all the very best to you and to Oriflame. Thank you again.
Thank you so very much for having me. Wish you all the very best. Bye bye.
Thanks.